For PowerPoint exercise 14, please click File, New, and create a new blank presentation. And please select the blank slide layout. And down here, we need to open up the drawing toolbar. If you don't have it, click View, Toolbars, and click Drawing. And that should reveal the drawing toolbar down here. Now, we have to draw a couple of different shapes, so find the oval button, click it, drag and draw an oval, and then go to Auto Shapes, point to Stars and Banners, and we've got two explosions. I think it's explosion 1. Click to select that shape, and then click and drag to draw that explosion. And then text box, we click that button, drag to create a text box, and we can type in the word prize. So now that we have those three shapes, or three objects, we can position them so that we've got the oval behind the explosion, and then we can click and drag the word prize so that these three objects are on top of each other like this. Okay. Now, these three objects are currently independent, but if I click and drag and highlight all three objects at the same time, I can go back to my drawing toolbar, click Draw, and it opens up this menu. And there's an option called Group. If I click Group, take a look what happens. This object is now one object instead of being three separate objects. If I decide to ungroup it, I can go back to Draw and click Ungroup, and now I can move the different parts independently. Okay. Another way of grouping and ungrouping objects is you can highlight it, and instead of going to the Draw menu down here, you can highlight it and then right click and go to where it says Group, and you can group it that way. Or you can, after you've grouped it, you can highlight, right click again, go to Group, and left click Ungroup. Okay, so that's how we can combine two or more objects to form one big object. So please save this file on your USB drive, and you may wish to try the optional exercise. See if you can make that fruit bowl I have in your handout.